Welcome to our business process automation use cases. In this video, we will take you through the transformation of a traditional manual process into an efficient and automated workflow. This example is based on a construction item manufacturing company specializing in roofing sheets. The company manufactures roofing sheets and sells them to various hardware stores across the country. The process begins when a sales officer receives an order from a hardware store and continues until the order is delivered. Sales officers are in different regions of the country. This use case is applicable to many manufacturing or distribution organizations to manage their orders. Let's begin by understanding the current manual process. A customer, typically a hardware store, calls the sales agent assigned to their region. They place an order, let's say 100 roofing sheets. All records are kept on paper as notes. The customer then sends a lorry to pick up the order. However, the security officer at the gate is unaware of this delivery. He manually checks a record book to verify authorization. Due to the huge space requirement to keep the order ready, it's not practical to be ready with the order as soon as the order is placed. The order preparation will be done once the lorry arrives at the gate. Once verified, the lorry is sent to the lorry park, where it waits for an available loading bay. There are multiple loading bays. The loading bay then calls when it's time for loading. Loading starts when the lorry arrives at the loading bay. Order records are referred to and updated on paper. A set of documents should be handed over to finance to process the payment once the loading is done. The lorry cannot leave until the finance department confirms the payment. If a discount is applicable, it has to be manually requested and approved. Some discount approval may go to the CEO level as well, and using email to get replies may bring delays. And approvers may not get fully visibility of previous customer records to do a proper assessment before approval. Before existing, the security officer at the gate checks if the count of roofing sheets matches the order. However, this manual process is prone to fraud. The lorry driver can use the lorry for personal use as the hardware store is unaware of its departure time. Extra roofing sheets can be loaded, and with the collusion of security personnel, excess items may be illegally sold. To eliminate inefficiencies and fraud, we introduce business process automation. In the new system, the customer places the order digitally via mobile or online, eliminating the need for a sales agent. Even ordering through WhatsApp can be enabled. Upon arrival, the lorry driver presents a QR code which includes order details. The security officer scans the QR code and verifies the order instantly. Notifications are automatically sent to the warehouse and finance to get ready for order processing. Also, the hardware store is updated through SMS regarding the lorry's arrival. This will give them proper visibility to know the lorry location and arrival time. A system-generated token is issued to the lorry, assigning it a queue position. Simultaneously, the customer receives a notification that their lorry has arrived at the destination. This will give them proper visibility to know the lorry location and arrival time. In the meantime, the loading bay is alert to prepare the order, and finance is informed to process the order. A display board shows the queue position and estimated loading time, reducing waiting periods. When a loading bay becomes available, the display updates to indicate the assigned bay. Once loading begins, the loading bay confirms the process with a single click, verifying all order line items digitally. The finance department updates the system with payment confirmation allowing the lorry to proceed. Discounts are auto-calculated and offers are automatically applied. Any management approval is triggered through the system automatically and approvals would be able to prove through mobile apps. To prevent fraud, the security officer at the exit gate does not see the expected count of roofing sheets. Instead, they manually enter the observed count into the system. The system then automatically detects discrepancies and prevents unauthorized stock movements. With business process automation, we ensure a seamless, transparent, and a secure process, eliminating inefficiencies and prevent fraud. This solution is applicable to many manufacturing and distribution organizations seeking to streamline order management. Thank you for watching. Contact us today to learn how BPA can transform your business operations.